welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Brooke and I make lifestyle videos. So this video is going to be another all fall video. If you haven't seen the first one, I will put a little card up here. Today I decided to kick this off because I am going to the pumpkin patch and then I'm going to be doing pumpkin carving. So I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along. Here's the fit. This skirt is from Target. I got it in December. This top, and it has this little kind of choker piece, is from, I believe, Amazon. I just did a little braid and pulled it back. And then these boots are from Steve Madden. I got them at Nordstrom, just little cute combat boots. And then these socks are from Target. Look at these Halloween vibes. Prayers of Sinners, and it has this little skeleton. We've got some skulls down here. It's a red blend, and I just found it at the grocery store for like 8 something, so obviously I had to buy it. Just got to the pumpkin patch, and last year it was so hard to find a wagon. There was one right where we parked our car, so really on the come up here. Scouting out the pre-picked ones. There's an area where you get to pick your own pumpkin from the pumpkin patch, but he doesn't want to get too dirty, so I think he's going to try to find his pumpkin here. All right, Darren has found his perfect pumpkin. Any words about your pumpkin you like to share?
Has a thick stem.
That it does. Facing golden, vacating. Find anything of quality? Pumpkins have been collected. Look at this pumpkin. It has like little legs. It's like a little table. It's so cute.
Side. Chuck it to the other side. It's all love, just know we down to ride. No new faces, no strangers vanish. I remember we were down, we never panicked. Now we got it, we super rockin'. Make your little girl wanna dance, see her booty poppin'. Heard you talking all about it, I really got it. Heard you talking all about it, I really got it. Your guy, trust guy, I be like, what's up, guy? I was down so bad, I took those L's, I was like, what, guy? Now I'm up on my way to the bank, I'm laughing, ha, ha. Now I'm up on barely here, thinking it a rah, rah. Okay, moment I fade, I gotta go away. Okay, pressure on me if you can't make no mistakes. Okay, I remember time back down on 5th block, never switch sides, free PC until he touchdown.
I think now you can at least tell that these are the eyes and these are the ears.
I've been working really grinding, timing, perfect, see me wildin', gliding, flying, getting on my mileage, rising, silent, see me.
The pumpkins have made it home. Look at that little detail work, Coachella inspired. Never been, but Googled it. And my big pumpkin.
My mommy's still a baby boy. Chuck it to the other side.
The medium finally came in. It came in like 4 or 5 days late, so I think that maybe it was misdelivered, or they thought they delivered it but forgot it on the truck. Regardless, it is here. Hello, I just got to Trader Joe's. I wasn't planning on going here right now, but I was passing by and there was no line, which has not been a thing since the beginning of COVID. So here I am. Using some of my pumpkin spice hand sanitizer I got in the last all fall video. And yeah, I'm just trying to spread the love, not the germs. Butternut squash and a pumpkin ravioli. Sounds weird, but let's give it a try. Mission accomplished. been literally only 4 days. I don't know if you can see, but there are fruit flies. This is completely collapsed. Mine is collapsing and already rotting inside. All right, I'm gonna do a quick fall Trader Joe's haul. So first thing I got are these beautiful fall flowers. And then I got these pumpkin tortilla chips with this fall harvest salsa. It sounds weird, but it's pumpkin, it's fall, we gotta try it. And then I got these 2 raviolis. So this one is butternut squash, and this one is a pumpkin ravioli. Typically I eat raviolis with pesto, but I think for these, I'm gonna go with like a creamy Alfredo sauce. The pumpkin one, I don't know about. I think the butternut squash one's gonna be really good. And I got these apple cider donuts. When we went to Apple Hill and we got apple donuts, they were so good and I've been craving them since. So these ones, they're just covered in cinnamon sugar, which is my favorite. And I'm really excited to try these. I've never had them before. And then I got pumpkin rolls. These look awesome. So it kind of sounds like they're like pumpkin cinnamon rolls, but again, I've never tried them. I got pumpkin bread cake and muffin mix. I recently discovered this year that I actually like the taste of pumpkin. So anything with pumpkin in it or pumpkin flavor, this is my first time trying it because I've actually avoided it like the plague. So I'm really excited. I feel like this is the first year I'm actually participating in fall. So this is basically gonna be the best fall of my life. And then I got 2 pumpkin pures, both organic. I didn't see any other option, but I got these. I wanna make a pumpkin pie at some point. And then I got pumpkin flavored JoJo's. I've never even tried regular JoJo's, so I have no idea what to expect with this. And then I got 2 turkey stalks. This is kind of more Thanksgiving. And then lastly, I got this pumpkin ale. Let's try it right now. Ooh, see a little smoke coming off? I wanna like it, I do. Kind of tastes like they mashed up pumpkins and then let them expire and then mix them in here. I'm putting everything away, but I kind of want to try one of these. I think the fresh ones I got at Apple Hill were better, but I think this is a solid like 8 out of 10. Look how beautiful these flowers are. Ooh, good job, Brooke. So one of my best friends is having a Halloween party next weekend, and I haven't ordered my Halloween costume yet. So I have to order my Halloween costume, but the pups are invited. So me, Darren, and the pups always do like matching or like corresponding costumes. So I have to figure out all of our costumes. So what we're thinking right now are magicians and bunnies, or our other option, we're thinking about possibly doing Ghostbusters. So it's been about 2 hours and I keep searching the internet, and the dog ghost costumes, trash. The dog bunny costumes, trash. Dog magician costumes don't come in their size. So I've had to start from scratch basically. I waited so last minute that I just had to buy everything. So I bought stuff for multiple costumes, and then we're just gonna have to return whatever we don't wanna be. So idea number 1 is Men in Black. Our idea number 2 is Tiger King. Yes, I'm very excited about this. Very 2020 trendy, I'm sure, but I'm really excited about these. Also, at this point, please let me know which one you guys are rooting for or you think we're gonna go with. Let me know. Alexa, play Ghostbusters.
Playing Ghostbusters, original motion picture soundtrack by various artists from Spotify.
At this point, I've seen all of the Halloween movies, but why not? Let's rewatch Halloween Town. Breakfast of champions. I have my pumpkin spice coffee with pumpkin spice creamer, and then I have my apple cider donut. Look, Amazon just delivered all of this. I'm so excited because I know that my Halloween stuff is in here. So I just opened up all the packages that I received of the Halloween stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what came in. So for Men in Black, we got the pups little aviators, and they have a little like headband strap-on thing to keep them on. 2 of those. And then also for Men in Black, me and Darren got matching skinny black ties. And then we both already have a black suit that we would wear. And then I'm still waiting on a white button-down shirt. The pups, we got 3 little pup suits. Sadie was definitely a XL, but Hunter was between XL and double XL. So I ordered him both sizes, and then I'm just gonna return what doesn't fit. And then for Tiger King, the pups, their little manes and tails came in. So they are ready to go with their costume. For me, one of the tiger dresses came in. So it's a long sleeve, little swoop neck, and it's ruched on one side. And so it kind of pulls to that side. And I'm waiting on a second tiger print dress so I can choose between them. And then I'm still waiting on the tiger ears and tail. Darren, his Joe Exotic wig came in, and then it also came with the adhesive mustache. It's backwards right here, and it came with, you can kind of see them down here, they're little earrings, because he has like the brow piercing and such, and then the earrings. So he has those, and then it randomly came with a chain. I don't really know why, but it did. We are still waiting for a baseball cap that we bought that he's gonna wear with this. And then one of the shirts we ordered came in. Here, you can see it. It's a button-down shirt, and it has like little tigers on it, and then kind of a Hawaiian print. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So this came in. We're still waiting on one other shirt that we ordered for him, so he can choose between them. All right, guys, that is all I have for you for this video, but don't worry, tomorrow I am starting to film part 3 of this all fall series. I know I did not finish the Halloween costume haul in this video. That is because some of the items aren't coming in for another 7 to 8 days. And at that time, this video will already be up and I will be finishing up filming part 3. So I'm just gonna throw it in there. So if you want to see the rest of the haul or find out what we ended up going with for our costumes, make sure you check that out. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. If you've gotten this far, clearly you are liking it. I would love if you gave this video a thumbs up. It helps me to know what you guys are into, and it also just feels good. But if you let me know that you're into this type of content, I can make more like this. For example, all winter, getting those winter vibes going. Yes, please. And don't forget to subscribe. If you are new, let me know in the comments below. I would love to say hello and just thank you for joining me on this journey, because it really, really does mean a lot to me. Thank you again so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.